And the guy's side, because Hindu tradition says the guy is the gift, so the girl's side has to give him gifts. Islam came and said the man has to give what? Mahar. The man has to give a gift. The woman is a gift to the family. And now we do in Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Southeast Asia. No. We don't want jehez. We don't want gifts from the girl's side, but there should be something. At least a fridge. You know? That is the opposite of what Allah commanded. That is the opposite of what Allah commanded. You're not only disobeying Allah, you're reversing what Allah said. Asking to pay, to be gifted because you're the girl, the guy's side? That's like way beyond haram. I don't even know what the category that belongs in. Shaitan is giving you like 5 stars for that one. Do not fall into that category.